Hi everyone, it's Davin Johnson, Davin Enterprise Insurance Agency, coming to you to talk to you about a very unique protection that I believe every person, every family should have, especially now in this time and day that we are living in. And it's called a legal protection plan, right? It's actually through a company called Legal Shield. Now, I personally have been a member of Legal Shield for years and years and years. Matter of fact, when I call in to talk to my law firm, they thank me for how long I have been a member with them. And it's one of the benefits that I would never, ever get rid of. It's wonderful. And a lot of people tell me, well, I don't think I need to have legal insurance, right? So here's the thing. I usually start off by asking people, we have home insurance to cover the house if something happens to the home. We have auto insurance to cover the cars. We have health insurance to cover, sickness and medical issues. We have life insurance to cover our lives, but we don't have anything to cover us if we need something legally. So that would be like if you're in a car accident and you have no car insurance and you'd have to pay outright for all repairs and expenses. Same thing for the house. The house burned down, you'd have to pay outright, to rebuild a house or buy another house, including having to pay the mortgage on the previous one that burned down, right? Same thing for health insurance. It's like going around without having health insurance and then having a medical need and having to go and pay the full 100% of the bill to the doctor. So why not have something for your legal needs? So, have you ever had time in the last, 6 months, a year, which you thought that the advice or consultation of an attorney would have been helpful, just to be able to call them to ask them a question did? But it was the high out-of-pocket cost of having to pay for an attorney that stopped you from doing that. You see, in America, it's not, the color of justice isn't blind, it's green. And the more green you have, the more justice you can get. And people often have to check their checkbooks before they can check their rights. And that just isn't fair. That's not equal justice under the law. But with Legal Shield, you have the power of an entire law firm in your pocket for just a low monthly premium, low monthly rate. And there's no contract. So, you can cancel at any time. Although I would recommend that you don't, because this is one thing, unlike other insurances, that you can be proactive in using it versus reactive. Wait for something bad to happen. So here's what Legal Shield provides for you. And I'll tell you up front, I'm not going to give you the whole sales pitch and tell you, all the great things and then save the price for the end. I'll just tell you up front so you can say, hey, this is for me or this isn't for me. But you can cover your entire family for it, $25 a month. $25 a month. Your entire family will have legal protection. So here's what they offer as part of a member of being with Legal Shield. Now, Legal Shield actually contracts with the top rated law firms in every state. So no matter what state you're traveling in, you have access to the top law firm. I don't know if you know this or not, but the average attorney will charge anywhere from $250 to $500 per hour. Plus, in many cases, they will ask for a retainer. So you got to put that money down first, right? And oftentimes they offer a free consultation, but they're really just trying to figure out if this is a case or a situation that they can make money off of. That's all. They're just trying to save their time. Now, there are a lot of good attorneys out there, but I'm just telling you some of the things that they do. With Legal Shield, as a Legal Shield member, you pay that $25 a month, and you get access to the top law firm in your state. And you don't have to worry about paying those fees. So here's what comes with the membership. Unlimited advice and consultation, or I would say advice and consultation on unlimited legal matters. So you can simply pick up the phone, call your law firm, speak to an attorney that is very knowledgeable in that particular field of law, not just a paralegal or a generalist. So if you have a real estate question, that gets you to a real estate attorney. If you have an estate and will question, that gets you to an estate planning attorney. If you have an injury question, they get you to that specific attorney. So someone who's actually knowledgeable in that field. And if you and the attorney decide that a letter or a phone call would help resolve a matter or situation, then the attorney will write a letter to that company or individual or make a phone call on your behalf. Now, here recently, I've had this happen with a medical bill collector that we didn't owe, and the attorney's been great even up to this week, calling me, keeping me informed. She's made multiple phone calls and multiple letters, and basically we shouldn't owe the debt at all, and she is going to work on my behalf. And guess how much it's costing me? Nothing, to have this attorney work on this for me, rather than me trying to fight with these companies who I tried calling first and could not get any answer. So it's, again, having the power of a law firm in your pocket. I love it. I pay $25 a month. This person at the law firm is going to save me $2,000. That's going to pay for years of this service for me. That's just one incident where I've used this. Next, if you need to sign a contract, they'll review that contract for you. Make sure that everything is on the up and up and legit. So you no longer have to worry about, their lawyers taking advantage of you. Now you have your team of lawyers who look out for your rights. So before you sign a lease, apartment contract, cell phone contract, mortgage, whatever, you can send those documents into your law firm and they will review that at no cost. Then next, family matters. So uncontested name change, assistance, divorce. If you need your will done, so standard will preparation, they'll do your will and estate planning to help you with that. Power of attorney and healthcare power of attorney. Maybe it's vehicle related, so speeding tickets, other type of motor vehicle related incidents. They can assist with that. IRS Audit Protection. You know that they will even help provide you with IRS audit legal services as well. So if you are being audited by the IRS, they will assist you with that. And now that's in the year that you became a member, of course. And then there's also trial defense. So if you are being sued or you're being summoned to court, they will actually go and represent you in that trial. And you get so many hours per year, and those hours do accrue and build up. So if you don't use it, guess what? You don't lose it. They just keep on adding up. So hopefully, you won't ever have to use it. But if you do, you've been a member for over 5 years. That's actually over 300 hours built up that they will use in preparation to go and represent you, including if you get a speeding ticket in another state. And you don't have to go to that state because they will send someone to represent you in that court. Plus, in addition to that, 24/7 emergency assistance. I've used this once. So, no matter what time of day something happens, whether it's 2 o'clock in the morning or on a holiday or a weekend, and let's say you're being served with a search warrant or being arrested or pulled over, right, for a traffic stop, and something just doesn't seem right, you have the right to call your attorney. And with Legal Shield, you can call them right there on the spot, on the phone. You'll have an attorney on the phone within just a couple of minutes. And you never know what that can do and help resolve something for you. So if you're concerned about this, if you've got kids or teenage drivers or kids that are in college and they're away from home, or just for yourself personally, this is a great peace of mind protection to have for $25 a month to make sure that you are taken care of, that you have the power of a law firm on your side, that you have an advocate that can help you in the law. And now, also in addition to this, if you are a small business owner, so small business being under 100 employees, and you are for profit, so you're not a nonprofit, there is a legal plan out there that helps businesses. It is a small business legal plan that you can use to protect your business. And basically the same kind of things with a few business things added on, such as HR, consultation, debt collection, things of that nature. So there are small business plans. And addition to that, if you are a business owner and you have employees, What a wonderful benefit to provide this for your employees to protect them. So you can offer this as an employee benefit. You can make it employer paid, so you pay it, or employee paid, and the employee will pay this. Now, they do get a discount if it's offered through a group benefit. So if you would like to learn more about this fantastic coverage, one that I would never, ever be without, and wish that everyone in the world would have, then give us a call, contact me. Let's talk about it. Let's learn some more about it, and be happy to again help your business and protect your family. So, Davin Johnson. Hope you have a great day.